Okay, today I came to a cultural festival in Cucamonga. They're celebrating the Year of the Horse. So if you guys got a chance to come to these kinds of events, I recommend doing so because you can get a lot of interesting shots of all these people, performers. It's great. Look for interesting shots. Yeah, when you come to these kind of events, make sure you guys try the food. Some yummy treats out here. When you photograph something like this, look for movements. When they pause, after a while you can time it and get a great shot. Performing, great time for getting good exposures. I just wanted to show you guys my setup. I'm using it right now. I got a bad foot, so I got a little scooter. I put a light stand on it, and I got a 8200 the diffuser. Works great. Still in that harsh light.
Mountain to the ocean, I'm going with you, that means we're fine. And the off the island, we do it island style.
Okay, so I'm leaving this event now. This is a small one, but it's a good place to start. You want to get some good pictures of events, get a practice. So when you see an event like this, go ahead and come to it, and you'll see that you guys can get some good shots.